Today I'm going to be showing you how to calculate shipping in Pandabuy. Calculate shipping in Pandabuy is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, click on the estimation option in the navigation bar. Then put some information or details in the given fields. First, choose your country. I will choose USA. Then tap the weight, and after that select the category of the product you want to buy. And last but not the least, type length, width and height in centimeter. After that, click on the Inquire button. It will take few seconds. As you can see, there is a list of estimation fee options below. You can scroll down and select whatever you want. In this way, you can calculate shipping in Pandabuy.